If you're watching this video, you are probably dreaming of hitting those magical numbers, which are getting your 1,000 subscribers as well as your 4,000 watch hour. Then you can finally get monetized on YouTube. Well, guess what? In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this really fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Maria here, and in this channel I shared about YouTube growth tips as well as tools to help YouTubers grow and succeed on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to cover one, the exact type of content that will get you more views as well as subscribers. Two, 3 steps to follow in order for you to hit the 4,000 watch hour really fast. And lastly, 3, the secret tools and tips to help boost your growth, even if you're starting from zero. First thing first, let's look at topic number 1 that we're going to cover, which can get you more views and subscribers, which is all about your content. And content is the key. And here is how it works based on search-based videos. What is the trending topic right now? What are people searching for that you need to give them the answer? So let me show you how this really works. So basically, if you come to your YouTube studio and then you go to your analytics, and then you see this option at the top right side there where it says trends overview content. So if you click on trends, so this is the area where it shows what are the trending topics at the moment. What are people searching for? As it says, explored topic, top searches. So these are the questions people are asking on the internet, which is how to grow new YouTube channel. That is a top searches. Those are the top searches. Then if you scroll back, this is another questions people are asking. 7 strategies to grow your business. You come back here, it's telling you 1 hour YouTube grow strategies. This is basically what your audience are searching for, because this is on your studio. Your studio trends is telling you your audience, that is people who are watching your content, those who have subscribed to you. These are the contacts they are searching for. So whenever you want to create your videos content, this is the first place you need to come, looking at the trending topics. And then if you click at the first one here, it even gives you an examples of other videos that have already been created based on the questions as been asked. So you can follow up all these videos here: how to create a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, how to create a new channel in YouTube. Then there are videos, examples of videos that has already been created based on those questions that has been asked by your audience. Just move around and see which one you can watch and where you can take examples from. You can just watch them and see what works for them. Then you can use it to create your own as well. So if you use your studio, that is your YouTube studio, find the trending topic, and then you can go to ChatGPT to create a script for you based on what ideas you're going to create. That is, what are people searching for there? How are you going to answer the questions people are searching for, either on Google or on YouTube? And if you want to know how to create a script on ChatGPT, check out on this video. It will show you step by step on how to generate a script. So number 2, let's talk about getting your 4,000 watch hour really fast. So here are 3 strategies that will help you in order for you to generate 4,000 watch hour really, really fast. So step 1 is about creating long form videos, because on YouTube, when you create a long form video, when I say long form videos, a long form video can be as a length of between 10 to 12 minutes, because every 10-minute length of video is count as 1 watch hour. That means when somebody watch your videos from 1 to 10 minutes, 10-minute videos is count as 1 watch hour. So if you created videos between the length of 10 to 15 minutes and somebody watched that video to the end, this is count as 1 watch hour. So if you have more people watch that video, this is how you generate more watch hours. So step 2 is about creating playlist. Imagine you've already had your long form videos, which are between 10 to 15 minutes, and people are watching them. And if those videos are really interesting and people like watching them, and you create a playlist on those videos that is related topic of those videos, people are watching it. When they watch one videos, they will continue watching more and more on that playlist. This is how you generate more hours. So let me show you how playlist works. Just take a look. So I'm using somebody else's channel because I just want you exactly how playlists can appear on your audience phone or channel. So if you come down here, you can see this video which says 5 most important apps to make your videos go viral. This is one of my playlists. If you look at the bottom right hand side here, it says 7 videos. So when I created this playlist, so I included 7 videos. Let me just click on it. Before I do, let me just put the volume down so that I won't get a copyright strike on it. So let me just ensure that the volume is low. So if you click on it, it shows you exactly all the videos I placed. So if you look at the trends of this playlist with all the videos that are attached there, you can see that they are all related. So these are all the playlists I put together as a tool to help grow your YouTube channel as well as to beautify your videos. So this is how you create a video. So when it appears to somebody else's channel, so if they play one, so like the first video now is stated about the best apps for your videos to go viral. So if somebody else see this one, YouTube banner, how to make a YouTube banner. So after that, they will be so interested to watch, oh, how do I make my YouTube banner? And then they go to the next one. They said, oh, best CapCut tutorial. So, oh, I need to see how do I edit my videos. And then they come to the other one, how to make YouTube thumbnail. So they will continue watching it. And this one is telling them about how to make a fake background. So they will just continue watching. And this one, how to create the fake background. So it's like a step by step. This is how you create your playlist. Make sure they are related to each other so that when somebody watch one, they will continue watching the rest because they are related. So this is how you create a playlist. So now the third step is about promoting your videos. I personally grow my subscribers as well as my watch hours using this method. So let's walk through how this method works. It might work for some people, sometimes it might not work for some people. This is basically if you want to have your subscribers as quickly as possible or your watch hours as quickly as possible. So when you follow this method, you will see the life changes. However, what I'm about to show you is not for free. The reason why I'm showing this is for those who are desperate to get your subscribers as well as your watch hour. This is a fast method that will get you in that pathway really, really quick. This is the easiest pathway in order to gain subscribers as well as watch hour in the space of even 24 hours. So how do you promote your video? So if you go to your YouTube studio, and you go to your contact, which are all your videos, say view all videos. I'll just give an example. Let me just click on this one, the first one that says best apps for YouTube. So you see these 3 dots here. Click on these 3 dots and you can see where it says either you want to share your videos, edit videos, promote videos. So this is the one we are looking for. So if you click on this promote video, you wait for it. So it gives you the goals, asking you what is your main goal. The first one says audience growth. What do they mean by audience growth? That is if you want more subscribers. This is how you generate thousands and thousands of subscribers in the space of 24 hours. So the second one is about videos view. That is, you will gain a lot of views. People will just come in. That is how you generate traffic. People will just come in to view your videos. And this is how you generate more people coming in to watch your videos. You don't just get people watching your videos, they will also subscribe. So let's just start with the first one. So either of them, it depends what is your choice. If you want subscribers fast, you can use the audience growth. If you want more views on your videos, you can use the videos view. So let's start with the first one first. Then now you click next. So when it says next, it says promotion details. So you read it and you see here the headlines, which is the promotion headlines. You can either change it. This one, the headlines is about the title of the video. You can either leave it or you change what headlines do you want to give it. The description. So you can put your description here. That is your promotion description. So this is how it appears on people's feeds. That is audience feed. This is how it will appear. So when you're satisfied with what you see, so you click next, and from next, it gives you where you want your audience, who will see your promotion. So don't just leave the United Kingdom, because I live in United Kingdom. It will show where your location, where you are. So if you see this pencil here, just click on the pencil and then you look at where it says add location. So if you click on the add location, you see it gives you a variety of other countries here. So you can just take as many as you can, because I'm not promoting this video. That's why I'm not choosing any. So there's a lot of countries here where you want to promote your video. So you just click it as much as you can, as many as you can. When you finish, you click the bottom here where it says, the last one here where it says done, you click done. Then you go to the next. So when it comes to the budget, so this is why I said it's not for free, because it's asking you how much you want to spend. So if you look at the budget here, it's already budgeted as £50 because I live in the UK. So it's showing the pound sterling. So for a duration of 7 days. So, and if you look here, based on your total budget, you will spend an average of £7.40 per day for the selection. And then when you see, you can adjust, if you can put it down, if you think that is too much, you can put it down. And then now it goes to 25 pounds. So 25 pounds in the space of 7 days, it means you will spend £3.57 per day. So it depends how your budget is, how you want to budget. So the good thing about this is after the 7 days that you put it, when the 7 days is over, they won't take anything from your money. So what you put is what will go. When the 7 days is over, the promotion will end, but it will end with maximum subscribers as well as views. People will not just subscribe, it will also generate more views. But after the 7 days, it will end. But trust me, before the 7 days, you will get maximum subscribers. You will see even more than 1,000 or even 2,000 subscribers. You will have that within that 7 days. Like I said, you will have between 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers in the space of just 24 hours. So imagine you leave it for 7 days, how many subscribers you will have. So all right, there you have it. We've covered the 3 points in order for you to gain those 1,000 subscribers as well as your 4,000 watch hour really fast. If you follow all these 3 methods, you will see a difference on your channel. And the last bit of 8, I know it will cost you, but trust me, if you use that promotion tips, you will see how your channel will boost, it will grow, you will gain your subscribers. By the time you know it, your channel has boosted from 0 subscribers to even more than 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers, as well as getting your watch hours that requires to get monetized. If you find value on today's video, please do me a favor. Just hit that like button, hit that notification button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment on the comment section below and tell me what are the areas you're struggling from. If you need my support, just leave it on the comment, then tells me which area you need support from. Then I will surely render my support. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.